Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit Shopify announcement bar. The announcement bar is the slim banner at the very top of your storefront. It's perfect for quick updates like a free shipping offer, a limited time discount, or a store-wide message. You can also use it for things like holiday hours, shipping delays, or launching a new collection. I'll walk you through how to find it, add a new announcement, customize it so it fits your brand, and save your changes, even if you've never edited this section before. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. On the homepage, select Login. Sign in using your preferred method, email, or one of the available single sign-on options. Once you're in your Shopify admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Online Store. This takes you to your Themes area, where you manage how your storefront looks. Think of this section as the control panel for your store's design. Next, open the theme editor for your current theme. You'll see a live preview on the right and a customization sidebar on the left. In that sidebar, look for the announcement bar section. Depending on your theme, it might appear as its own section or inside the header area. If you don't see it right away, try expanding sections or using the search at the top of the editor. Every theme organizes things slightly differently, so don't worry if yours isn't in the exact same spot. Inside the announcement bar section, select Add Block. This creates a new message slot you can work with. After the block appears, click directly on it to open its settings. This is where the fun begins. Customize your message text to be short, clear, and action-oriented. Think a single sentence if you're promoting something specific. Add a link to a product, collection, or page so shoppers can tap the bar and go straight to it. Turning the bar into a clickable call to action can actually drive more traffic to important pages. Choose background and text colors that have strong contrast so your message is easy to read. Many themes also let you adjust alignment, add an icon, or control whether the bar shows on desktop, mobile, or both. If your theme supports multiple announcement blocks, you can create more than one and reorder them to highlight what matters most. Some themes even rotate through them. Keep your copy concise and avoid crowding the space. Brevity converts better here because people only glance at the top of the page for a second or two. When everything looks right in the preview, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Give the page a moment to publish the changes, then check your storefront on both desktop and mobile to confirm placement, color contrast, and link behavior. If anything feels off, jump back into the editor, tweak the block, and save again. This quick review step helps you avoid typos, broken links, or colors that are hard to read. And that's all there is to it. A simple announcement bar tweak can instantly call attention to promos, updates, and important messages without redesigning your whole store. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want more easy, step-by-step Shopify tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you run into any issues, or your theme looks a little different, drop your question in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!